everyone, it's Gail. I'm here at my retreat, and I am going to give you a little walkthrough of the house. So we're coming up the front door here, and I'm just going to go right over here because I'm trying not to take pictures of my friends. They're camera shy. So we're gonna go in the front door here, and you guys, I've talked about this house so much, I know that you're dying to see it. So we're in the entry here. I'm wiping my feet, it's wet outside. And we come into the dining room, and there's our space for eating and for the 8 of us to be. Here's our great big, awesomely equipped kitchen. It's just got a little of everything that we need. I'm gonna try not to go too fast so I make you seasick. And then back here in this wing, we have, I got lights on so you guys could see. So we've got, this is the laundry room. And so there's laundry, an extra refrigerator for all of the food that we're gonna wanna have. And then the bedrooms, I've told you this before, they're all color coded. And so this is the purple bedroom, and it's got purple sheets, purple towels. And so, can you tell I'm excited? I'm like talking 90 miles an hour. My sweet friends are bringing all my stuff in because of my silly shoulder. And so then this is the bathroom in between the two bedrooms on this one. Hello, there I am, hello. Okay, and then this is the yellow bedroom right here. And the beds are awesome. They have these big, thick foam pads on them. And then this is the living room with fireplace. There's a TV, which of course we never watch, but there's also Sirius radio here, and it's so super cute. Can you see this? It's like all knotty pine. It's like kind of retro. And so there is the front door that we came in, and then there's the kitchen. So then over here on this side of the living room, you see this is the living room. Over here on this side is where the crickets are at. And she's got crickets, she's got all the die cuts and everything. And then this ta-da is the craft room. She's got drawers with stamps and punches and all sorts of things. She's got cardstock, she's got a sewing machine, and Big Shot here. And then these are all craft supplies that you can buy. She's a close to my heart dealer. And I will put in the description below, she has a Facebook page. It's Scrapbook House Montana, and it's on Facebook. So outside the craft room, I don't know if the glare's too bad, but there's a beautiful little patio. I'll show you. We'll go over to the door. So there's the patio, and just big huge pine trees everywhere. And then here is the craft room. My friend Lynn is the only one here, and then my friend Catherine. So there's 8 stations. Each station comes with cup holder, power strip. It's got the garbage can, a comfy chair, a rolly cart, an aught lamp, and a desk mat. So that is that. And then this side is, this is my room. I like the turquoise room. Surprise, surprise. So there's a turquoise room. There's the purple bathroom as opposed to the green bathroom. And then there's the green room. There's the green room. So there it is. This is where I'm going to spend the next 4 days with my friends and be thinking about it, because I'm thinking about doing a non-Montana retreat. So just be thinking about it. And I'm just going to leave you with this beautiful look outside. And thanks for watching, everybody. And hopefully I'll film a few other things while I'm here. But maybe not. I might be too busy crafting. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.